As a career service professional, you are the bridge between a student's education and their professional future. Hi, this is Brenda Meller, and I'll be joining you at the upcoming MCEEA Spring Mixer event. I'll be leading a 90-minute interactive workshop to help you to think beyond using LinkedIn as a resume and to help to guide your students to think about how to use LinkedIn now and later and throughout their career. We're going to focus on my PRI framework, which focuses in on P profile optimization, building your profile for your ideal target audience, which will likely change for your student now and throughout their career. We'll talk about invitation strategy and how they can grow their network strategically now while they are a student and then throughout their career as a working professional. And finally, we'll talk about E, engagement, how to engage people in the homepage feed with thought-provoking and conversation-worthy posts. And some of these techniques you'll even be able to use now as a career service professional to help you to support and represent your college, university, or organization. If you're interested in registering, I want to encourage you to go ahead and click on the link below. I'll be speaking on Friday morning, April 10th, and the session will be held at Weber's Boutique Hotel and Restaurant in Ann Arbor, Michigan. This is Brenda Meller, helping you to get a bigger slice of the LinkedIn pie. I look forward to seeing you there.